staring at us.
Pizzas.
First stop was Vito's Pizza. It's right down the street from our hotel. Hot?
The cheese bowl. It's good. 9 out of 10.
Oh, if I die, I do have a dermatology appointment. So we stopped at Bryant Park. We did that. Okay, we are going to make our way over to Fifth Avenue. And we are at Bryant Park still. Insert some more clips. Okay, update. We went to Fifth Avenue, but we were so tired that we're gonna go back to the hotel and take a nap. But Chelsea and Mal just got smashed in the subway door and I wasn't recording. So we passed out. We passed out. We didn't make it very long. I think it's like 7 o'clock right now. But guess who's here? It's 6 o'clock. Guess who's here? Daddy's home. Okay, so he's just
short sleeve version and then a long sleeve version of the same thing.
He thought he made.
We've got our little like makeup lineup here. Little like get ready station. Okay, I just got a ring light. Update, we just got a ring light.
This was hers.
Adrian, how does
What?
it look? Okay, we are ready.
Yes,
Oh.
we are.
We're going to Tino.
Anyway, so I just
Okay.
did like a light beat on my face. It's kind of giving.
I have like a little red dot moment, and here's my girl and her sister. So let's go. Next time you see us, we'll be in Times Square.
Where are we going?
We are in Times Square and we are headed to dinner. We're almost there. So I'm gonna give you some clips of what we're seeing. First off,
They're gonna chase you out. I'm serious.
are you serious?
Vlog.
We just got our photo taken by the photographer. There she is. I don't have a mic, so I'm honestly probably gonna have to do voiceover. House salad. Okay, we just got our food. I'm gonna take a bite. Take a bite. Fettuccine Alfredo.
There's more chicken if you guys need more. I don't like when chicken is cold.
It's really good. Oh, Papa's fork.
He's single, guys.
Tony Di Napoli.
It's Tony's.
That was so good. Hanging out at Times Square. It's surprisingly quiet though, and we're really enjoying the vibe. So
Wait, get Elmo.
no, you can't get Elmo because they'll chase you down. They'll chase you down to try to get a picture. Guys, we fell for the age-old backflip scam of New York. We gave them $5 to do flips. Yep. Are going to Flaming Saddle.
Can I hit your
It is a cowboy bar. So we're gonna go check that out.
Guess who's bringing them there?
The gay cowboy.
Why?
At the Flaming Saddle.
He loved that.
Now we're at another bar.
Wait, Flash.
This is your last tequila sunrise.
Redo it.
The last you ever told me how to mix a tequila sunrise. Ready? Now at a drag show.
Last time.
This man kept pushing the dollars under his table and hiding them. Our honest reaction. He also kept hitting on Adrian.
Guys, we were just like. Oh.